So today is Saturday and it's my off day from work. So right now, me and this guy here.
This guy.
Is Tom.
This one.
Decided to take a walk in this woods. Don't be so crazy. And it's literally just him and me in this forest.
No, we're not alone.
Where's the others?
He write his name on that.
Oh my
Write
God.
the name of the box. We're not alone, huh?
Satan. That's just crazy. But anyway, the place is actually quite nice. It's so quiet in here. I just hope that this guy here remembers how to go back.
I got no clue.
Martin, you really have to remember.
But you're also here. You're also here.
You know, I cannot remember
You're
directions.
Also here. You should know also. Really?
But it's a nice
blame
place
it
to
on
be
me,
instead
really?
of just being home and watching Netflix all day. So Martin, should we do it again tomorrow? Because I'm off tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
No, not again.
Yes, sorry. Yes, of course.
You're so annoying.
Yes, of course.
Please don't. Yeah. I'm so thirsty.
I gotta turn back. I gotta go home and poop.
Me, I'm so thirsty. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. And we forgot our wallet at home. But anyway, it's useless also because you cannot buy anything here.
Also, it's useless because it's lacking, coins, money. We are poor people.
No, here. Say hi.
Hail to the world.
I'm normal. I can really feel the spring now. Oh my God, that's a bit scary in there.
Which way?
There. I don't know. But I see people there.
Dead people.
Oh, not again.
Go this way.
Where? Okay. No, why not there?
Because you're gonna go back
Why?
with me, or you wanna go alone?
We're gonna go back now?
It's a long way back still.
Okay. That's also okay.
I cover you.
Oh, normal.
I got you back.
you got my back, huh? We're gonna come back here tomorrow.
Next time we go back, it's a day where it's will rain.
What?
We'll come back a rainy day.
Rainy day? Why?
Different experience.
Okay, that would be nice.